Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel Simply Nadia. If you don't know me, I am Nadia Pinto and I am from Goa. For most of my life, I have lived in Goa until I moved to London 5 years ago to do my master's. I have always enjoyed making videos, whether it is travel vlogs, food adventures, exploring places, or just little moments in daily life. And I've always wanted to start my own YouTube channel, but I always kept overthinking it, that I'll do it when the time is right and everything is perfect. Until I realized that the perfect time might never come, and why not start now? So here I am today, finally taking that step and making my first YouTube video. So what can you expect to see in this channel? You will see life of a Goan couple living in London, travel vlogs, us exploring food, and little mini adventures and moments in daily life. If you have stumbled upon this video, it will mean a lot if you like, share, subscribe, and come along with me on this beautiful journey. Hopefully, I can also show you little glimpses of Goa and clips of my family back home when we actually visit Goa, which is mostly once a year. I also have a lot of interesting videos coming up because we recently went to Lake Garda in Italy, and I have shot a few episodes that are in the making right now. Since I've done a lot of speaking now, let's get started. So come along with me on a sunny day in London and I'll show you around and what I am up to. Let's go. So Ami Zali ready. Want to say hi?
Hello.
And yata Ami Veta in Asda just to buy a small little snack, probably fruits and some small bites. And then we'll be going to the park. So I'll take you all along. I'm shopping in 2 minutes. Just sizing it up. Fruit. Which fruit you want? Pineapple with mango.
Yes, fruits.
No, I brought that fruit fork from home. What is this? Pineapple, cheese, apple grapes. That's nice. Should we get it?
Okay.
You like these fruits, no? Yes. It's good. Kaina? Lana, huh?
This is better.
What about this?
This one,
Mango, melon, and pineapple. This one? Okay. Yeah, I like juice section and येते घेऊया
Smoothie.
येते घेऊया
Smoothie, no?
ते ट्राय केलेलं असेल ना ॲपल किवी मँगो
This one, right?
matcha बरं आले
Okay, we'll buy that.
or there is mango and passion fruit smoothie.
This is good.
This is good. Okay, so they have this like small platters. You're going on a picnic, no?
Which one?
Dinky pink. Okay,
Okay, this one?
chorizo grazing platter.
Okay.
Didn't get that. So it has cheese, olives, and some chorizo.
झालं?
Puro makane naka.
चल या.
Okay, quick shopping झाले. So हांगा आमी पावली नॉटिंग हिल गेट स्टेशन. आनी हांगासान आमकां अराउंड 10 minutes वॉक करून वचोंक जाय. And then I'll show you all where we're going. It's quite busy today because it's a Sunday. So आमी पावली Notting Hill आणि हांगासानूच लागीं आहात. So today we are going to Holland Park. You must have heard of it before. I have been there around 3 years back when I was in university with my friends. But I have not been recently, so I don't know how it looks now. At that time when we went, there were tulips, there were peacocks, and there were a lot of other things to see. So let's go today and see how it is. And in Notting Hill is famous for these colorful houses, because you know in London most of the houses, they are brick and they're brown in color. They all look the same, but Anga, it's a bit unique and it's very hilly. That's why it's called as Notting Hill. And there are a lot of things to do in this area. Today we don't have much time, but I can show you all next time. Anga ek market asta, Portobello Road Market. So they sell a lot of things like hand painted stuff, clothes, food items, homemade cake. So it's a good spot for a day out. You can do Notting Hill and Holland Park together. आम्ही रावताली हांगा येवपाक for a long time, but the weather was not always perfect. We wanted it to be sunny. And today the temperature is perfect, around 25 degrees, light winds and sunny. So let's go. And we bought our picnic mat as well. Actually, I'm from Lokang thumi bosta bite.
Okay.
I don't think it's that sort of a park, but I just brought our stuff to be safe. So इंच्यान एंट्रन्स आहा. म्हाका दिसता आमी फाटल्यान जावन आयल्या. होय. कित्याक दुसरी एंट्रन्स आहा पळय, ती डायरेक्ट in front you can see the Kyoto Gardens and the waterfall. But I guess this was closest to the station. Suddenly काळोख जाला असो. होय.
आता होत आली.
That is London for you. होय. ना तो बरो व्हडलो हा. 10,000 स्टेप तरी जातले. There is another Kew Gardens. Do you know? Have you heard?
No.
Kew Gardens. I haven't been. But that is again you need to buy a ticket and all.
That's good, no?
Yes, it is nice. Bospa ko hai benches tha. So guys, तुम्ही वो arrow follow करा, Kyoto Gardens. The park is very big, but this is the most prettiest part of Holland Park. Huh? Oh, we didn't even bring that. You forgot? So I wanted to bring like a cardboard. I have seen a reel for cardboard, and then you make holes in it, and then you pick one flower on your walk, and then it creates like a big bouquet of pretty flowers.
But first you need to draw that pot, right?
Yeah, I'll show you what I mean if I can add it. You draw a pot and make a
So you have to
nice
make a
flower
pot,
bouquet
draw a pot,
on a cardboard.
and
Make
then
holes in it.
holes in it, and you put all the flowers
Boy,
whichever
but one by one,
Yeah,
from
yeah.
different places. सबके colorful.
so it will become flower vase.
Yes. Anga rules Laila. Do not feed the fish. Take your litter out. Dogs allowed now.
Wow, where she said they go.
So this is the most beautiful part of Holland Park, where everyone likes to take pictures.
Okay. तेजे वयल्यान या दर आमी.
होय थंय वचोंक जाय आमकां. Yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
Chale. जाऊया. क्यू व्हडलो क्यू लागला फोटोग्राफी करपाक.
ओ फिश केन्ना
हय हा
वाव
म्हाका दिसना. वॉटर इतले ग्रीन कित्याक हा? आं ते ऑरेंज दिसले म्हाका.
कितलो क्यू जाल्यार एक एकटो फोटो काडून
So pretty. The waterfall is. Let me show you. Yeah, then small fish. Oh, small orange. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವು ನಾವು ನೋಕೋ ಪಾತೋರಿಗೆ ಕಿನಿದೆ. Oh yeah, it's massive. That is so good. बरं लागतं ना.
बरं लागतं मरे.
बरं लागतं.
लास्ट टाइम तोच गेलोला आम्ही. खंय गेल्ले आमी ते?
हातून हा
हॅम्पस्टेड घेतलो.
येस ॲपल किवी मँगो माचा अँड क्युकंबर. मँगो अँड पॅशन फ्रूटी बरो असतो बट इट्स कॉमन.
दोन येले म्हाका.
दोन? हांवें दोन खाता.
विथ चीज हा न्हू तो.
येस
चीज आनी
तुकाचे चोरिजो म्हण आसता. फर्स्ट टायम टेस्ट केन्ना तेन्ना म्हाका सामके गोवन सॉसेजीस कळ्ळे.
मातशें येता न्हू.
मातशें येता.
गोवन
म्हाका तहेंच लागता चोरिसांक. ते पास्तान बी घालपाक बरें जाता. You can chop it, you can make a chili fry and you can add in the pasta
with cheese.
with cheese. And you want with olive as well?
ना.
आमी खाता म्हणल्यार हांगा एक डिजास्टर जालो. थोडे लोक आयले आनी तांणी हांगा बरयला नो फीडिंग बट तांणी पिजनांक कितें तरी खाण घालें and all the pigeons are become wild literally. They all are coming here. Oh my gosh. So that pigeon is very unique. It's white and black. So we are going from here now.
शू केल्यापासून वयताय तरी थिंगा वचताय तरी आमकां घेवन वयतात
चल आमी या.
हांवें कित्याक ते हालताले ते वयता
Guys, enjoy the sky. Puri flowers aha beside him. आणि peacock यहाँ. There it is. Wow, so beautiful. लिपलो तो आता हांगा भोंवतालो. हांगा बरो स्पॉट आहा गायस आनी बेंच आहा. सो थंय बसून फोटो बीन काडूंक जाता. आनी the other side behind this there is an opera, so where they play like an orchestra and a band. And आमी आता पळयलें that there are lot of tables as well where you can sit, and many more benches here. Oh, there's a tennis court as well. Stalin, you saw? Tennis court is there.
Yeah. I think it's there.
Let's go this side.
Yeah.
Hang up a chess.
Chess.
Oh, so there's a live chess that you can play. गोंया एक जाग्यार हा न्ही. गोंया एक जाग्यार हा हे लायव्ह चेस हायातान काय तरी.
बरें दिसता न्हू चोवपाक.
हय बरें दिसता. फुलां बी आहा हे सायडीन. हे सायडीन बघूं येता मातसो. पार्क बरो व्हडलो हा गायज. आमी आतां पयलो. And there you can see there is a playground for kids. There is an even bigger ground here. And this side in Hoborna, I guess it's a cafe, so a lot of people are sitting. And this side in Odlo ha to opera, so you can hear them performing. So we'll go there and have a look. So there are many places in London like this if you can explore, which are free to enter. Obviously there are paid places as well, but it's a nice time to come with your family and your kids. Yeah? Yes.
Oh, the branch.
Oh my god, oh my god.
आनी एक लांब आसा स्टीक करतात.
So तांकां तांची झगडीं जाता. आमी हांगा काडले. अरे सांग तुमकां दाखयतालें हांगा पळय कितले बिन्स आहा. सो एका जाग्यार हांगा एक आहा, थंय एक आहा, लायनीन सगळ्याक बिन्स आहा. सो दॅट्स वाय यू डोंट सी मच ट्रॅश ऑन द रोड और आउटसायड बिकॉज द बिन्स आर रेडिली अवेलेबल नो. आनी आमच्या गोंयांत गेल्यार आमी बिन्स सोदता. सगळे लोक खंय उडयता.
इतले लागीं बीन आसा ते सगळ्या जमनी उडोवपाक दिसना न्हू तुका.
हय
काय बरें बीन आसा रे.
हय तेवूय वुडन म्हणजे ट्रियाचें कशें थीम केलां.
आनी ते बिना ते बीन बॅग्स आहा तितून.
हय बॅग्स केल्या.
ते बॅग्स इवनिंग टायम एवरीडे कलेक्ट करता सर कोण तरी.
हय हें कितें. So this was the end of my first YouTube vlog. I hope you all enjoyed Holland Park with us. Let me know in the comment section if you have been here before or did you see it for the first time through my vlog? And stay tuned for more such videos, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And till then, take care you all. Mogasum.